Hello and welcome to the introduction for the course. What you should know before you take this course: you should have a basic understanding of how to use your computer and also the internet, so you should be able to navigate it comfortably. You should also have a basic understanding of HTML and CSS, because you need to have HTML and CSS in place for JavaScript to work. So JavaScript requires either HTML or CSS or both in order for it to do its work. Who should take this course? The course is basically an absolute beginner's course, so anyone who is completely new to web development, to programming, and also anyone who really wants to learn something new. Let's take a look at what we are going to learn. So we will begin with installing text editor. Text editors is where you're going to write your JavaScript code. We look at data types, variables and constants, arrays, functions, arrow functions, conditional statements, JavaScript events, using comments, and we will be creating 27 beginner JavaScript projects from scratch. The best way to learn is by doing, so we're going to create this project absolutely from scratch. The course format is a video base and the duration is approximately 17.5 hours long. The majority of the course is project based, so by the end of the course you should have enough skills to begin your creativity in JavaScript. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.